Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sell tickets on TickPick. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to sell tickets using TickPick, what you need to do first is head over and open up your TickPick app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is select the sale settings from the top of your screen. Then once you're inside your sale, on the bottom right corner of the screen you will find the add listing option. Simply tap on that, and here you need to enter the information of the tickets that you are selling. Then once you have done with that, set a listing price and agree to the TickPick terms and conditions and tap create listing to publish your tickets. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.